Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to start building passive income with just $100, you're in the right place. Today we're going over 3 easy ways you can start earning without a ton of upfront cash. So let's dive right in. First up, we have affiliate marketing, one of the easiest and cheapest ways to start earning passive income. Here's how it works. You promote products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't need to create your own product, and you can start for as little as $100 by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. For example, you can promote products in niches like tech, health, or beauty, and earn commissions up to 50% or more depending on the program. With just $100, you can invest in creating a blog or starting a YouTube channel and focus on a niche that has low competition. Next, let's talk about dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are a great way to generate passive income, even with a small initial investment. Here's how it works. You invest in stocks of companies that pay dividends, and every quarter or year, you get paid a portion of the company's profits. Now, while $100 won't make you rich overnight, it's a great way to start. Websites like Robinhood or M1 Finance allow you to start investing in dividend-paying stocks with no minimum deposit. Some popular dividend stocks like Coca-Cola or AT&T could give you a reliable income stream over time. The key here is to reinvest your dividends to grow your earnings. Finally, let's talk about renting out assets. Do you own something that others might need to rent? It could be anything from a camera, a bike, or even your spare room. Websites like Airbnb or Turo allow you to rent out things you own, turning them into passive income generators. If you don't have a big budget, start small. You can rent out tools, cameras, or even your parking space. This is an excellent option if you're looking to turn assets you already own into income. So there you have it. 3 simple ways to start passive income with just $100. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, investing in dividend stocks, or renting out your assets, the key is to start today and build over time. Remember, passive income takes effort up front, but the returns can be well worth it in the long run. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more financial freedom tips. And don't forget to comment below if you're already working on building your passive income or if you have any questions. See you in the next video. There are 2 ways fighting.